It's been an amazing conference, very busy, very high quality traffic, a lot of people, a lot of leaders, a lot of big people in the space, very interesting meetings. We've been dealing with, so obviously there's always two aims. One is business development, meeting clients, meeting people, and then also taking care of our clients, making sure that they are introduced to people like you and other leading media in the space, and making sure that they get as much exposure as possible. So it's been a very intense few days, but very rewarding. Definitely AI. AI has been very big. A lot of conversation around AI robotics. There's a robot walking around Consensus the whole time. He was probably the biggest star there. Yeah, so definitely the biggest narrative right now is definitely AI and what it's going to lead into. 100%, very good question. I mean, obviously, the market is everybody's concern in this space. Anytime a client has a token, like the market sentiment is important to them. It's always important to remind them that what they're building is more than just a token. Token is important, but if your project has a strong foundation, strong partnerships, strong future, good technology, you'll stand the test of time. So getting through those market volatilities is something that we help our clients out with. And obviously that goes through good PR placements, media placements, a lot of good marketing, good social media presence. So we try to help them out as best we can. I mean, I guess the best way possible to do that is to kind of lead by example. I mean, we at Luna are big believers in AI and how it can help automate certain processes and help us be more productive. So in a lot of situations, obviously the general fear around AI is, oh, it's going to replace everything. A lot of times that's not true. If you leverage it correctly, then you can actually end up on the other side of things better than you used to. So it's something that we do help our clients kind of deal with. We kind of introduce them to processes that have worked for us and have worked for other clients that we collaborate with. And yeah, overall, a lot of our clients, being in the Web3 space, the founders and the team are forward thinking, right? So AI can scare some of them, but at the end of the day, everybody is turned towards the future, and so they're embracing it more often than not. Yeah, I mean, essentially, any PR is good PR. So any kind of mention of crypto and the Web3 space in like the traditional Web2 space is going to drive reaction and adoption sooner or later. It's all about kind of controlling the narrative and how you spin that. That could be a very long answer, but essentially at its core, the way that we do PR is different from other PR agencies. We don't do paid PR, we do organic PR. We leverage the human relationships that we've built and nurtured with leading media like yourself. And we use that to pitch our clients in an organic way. And then the second aspect that I would say is the overall dedication that each client of ours gets. When you work with Luna PR, you're getting a dedicated team. You're not just getting a content machine, not just a PR machine, not just a social media machine. You're getting a strategic partner. So we leverage our network, we've built amazing relationships, but at its core we have amazing team members and employees that will help your project get to where it needs to get. Unique selling point for Luna that separates us from other PR agencies in the space is we really understand what narrative it takes for our clients to reach their target audience.